zamle shota gansa shube jaje simo yola thoma samri shuba ta diring nyendo de nando zo kan shuba yena kega de be nyendo ji yang sane new de ne de jebe phanga chutum la da ma chirin di ji ni ji pomo denzen jin zum chutum la phama ni ji jamjong thwe salon chwa da chapchik da ja ran lo juru shibu som ba song sa phama ni ji ko de wo kega songzi du shuna ge du di songza thoma yabyon ni da pomo denzen jin zum chutum la je la samde de de shua da ma ba lon de na phama ni ji thun de da ani pomo denzen jin zum chutum la lobjong tharchen yo da ji so la 펜데 자침부지 두베 다시면도 쉬야인 도르데나 디린 케가 데트와냐 바참바치 자제스모 남지 챤남도 싱비 쉬야인 툰지식 나로나 쉬야다 안따도바등에 년동라 잡조난게 시게 초쇼난게 첸고게 주구르난게 창말라 자제디 주제니 타바냐 투체 쉬야다 사도 초쇼난게 소라 좀발렉스 제제 쉬야인 투제체
Penny Masambola Allah ye Zawela Makuti Tembe Mulam Le Sumya Allah ye Tashi Petu Tu Penny Masambola Allah ye Chichi Pama Kukam Deve Mulam Le Sumya Shini moya la so Pama pichi zombe ni mo so ya la so Lu shi le da to shi ta ta so ya la so Lu shi le da to shi ta ta so ya la so Kiki so so la ya lo lung da thar shi ge pe ta ha shi Ta shi me de shu Penny Masambola Allah ye Kawe Jong la diki yo be mulam le sumya Allah ye Tashi petu tu Penny Masambola Allah ye Zamli kun la shidi yo be mulam le sumya Shini mo ya la so Shi ji len zong yong we ni mo so ya la so Lu shi le da zhu shi cha ta so ya la so Lu shi le da zhu shi cha ta so ya la so Kiki so so la ya lo lung da ta shi ge pe ta shi Ta shi me de shu Ti li ta shi ni mo ya la so Shi ji len zong yong we ni mo so ya la so Lu shi le da zhu shi cha ta so ya la so Lu shi le da zhu shi cha ta so ya la so Kiki so so la ya lo lung da tar shi ge pe ta shi Ta shi men de shu
Alin 甚至呢。 Good evening, everyone. I hope you're all having a fantastic time tonight. It's so amazing to see Ginzom's friends and family gathered here tonight to celebrate such a special occasion for such a special person. Today isn't just a day to celebrate Ginzom's birthday. It's also a day to celebrate the funny, courageous, and energetic person she is. I've had the privilege of knowing Ginzom since kindergarten, and from day one, we've been inseparable. From performing Light It Up together at the Pebble Up the Talent Show, to starting our very own YouTube channel, Too Talented. We really did everything together. I watched her go in and out of phases, some which shall not be mentioned. Watched her move to another state and become the person she is today. Although we might not see each other as often as we did when we were younger, and now live in different states, our bond has still stayed the same. I'm glad I can still call her my best friend. It's not every day you come across someone as caring, hilarious, and authentic as her. Her laughs are infectious, and her jokes can make anyone laugh so hard their stomach starts hurting. I know everyone here can say that you've added a small sparkle to their lives, and that's because of the amazing person you are. Thank you for being not only my best friend, but also a sister. I love you so much, Ginzom, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Standing here tonight, but I made the decision to talk in front of all these people. This is not meant to be emotional in any way. Tonight we're here to celebrate my amazing Achala, Tenzin Ginzom, on her sweet 16. Let's appreciate her and this milestone. Turning 16 is huge. It's the age of driver permits, more freedom, and for my Acha, even more confidence in everything she does. As your little brother, you have done a lot for me, from helping me with schoolwork or to tutoring me for high school. But beyond all that, you're so much more. You're kind, beautiful, and especially smart. You're a superstar in school, from getting straight A's to honor rolls, and to even winning competitions. Watching you succeed is inspiring, and I couldn't be prouder to call you my Achala. It's not just your achievements though, it's your heart. You make people feel seen, heard, and loved. You've always been there for me, no matter what, and I'm so lucky to have you as my sister. I also want to thank our amazing Amla and Pala, our mom and dad. None of this would be possible without your love, hard work, and sacrifices. Everything in Acha and I are today is because of you. I also want to mention another very important person in our life, which is our Anila. Thank you for your kindness, love, and endless support. Me and Acha Ginzom are lucky to have you guys in our lives. Happy birthday, Ginzom. I love you even if I don't say it, but just for today, I will. So thank you to everyone for listening to my boring speech. Tujana.
Well, I wasn't expecting those other speeches, and they're actually so much better than mine, so sorry. Alright, good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming today, especially those all the way from New Jersey. I really appreciate it. I'm not the best at speaking in front of big crowds, so I will be keeping this pretty short. First of all, I'd like to thank my family. Thank you to Amla and Bala for making everything today possible. They have always supported me in everything I wanted to do and always made sure me and my brother, Chasim, could experience the best things ever. I know how hard they work and I'm forever grateful for them. Amla, my first teacher, my biggest supporter, and the reason for who I am today. Everything you do is out of love and care for us, and I hope you know that we all appreciate and love you so much. Bala, our family's designated driver and handyman. He's always bringing a smile to everyone's face and is one of the most extroverted, friendly people I know. He's always willing to help anyone that he can, and that is one of the things I find most charming about him. I'll always love laughing at your silly jokes and watching you dance Gorshe for us at home. Next person I want to talk about is my Anila. Without Ani, I don't know how we would eat anything at home. Everyone knows Ani's food is the best. Even though all my friends usually think you're my grandma, I still love you so much. Okay, next, Chansim. Thank you for always being with me and making me laugh. Even though you're growing up and becoming more independent, just know that I will always love you and be there for you as your acha. I also want to thank everybody who helped out today for my special day, especially Aninam Singh, who actually made all these decorations by hand. So, and also everything like on the table, she made it by herself. So I just wanted to say thank you. And thank you to everyone else who came to help. Once again, thank you to everyone for coming, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your night.
Ani la cha sauji dabro na one forma da chipa chisan chene chisan chiore par jao group par jao de da ऊपर जाओ मैं ऊपर जाओ मैं ऊपर जाओ जिद माशा ग्रुप पर
We dedicate this song to you. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tens and Kinson. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tens and Kinson. Happy birthday to you. Keki ke garlata shidale. Keki ke garlata shidale. Keki ke garlata shidale.
Khave jonki milam thang ho yu tang tu ne tin je ji so jo wa kyun ki ta pe me lam chi sam jun ki tu jonki milam thang ho yu tang tu ne tin je ji so zam li gi gi ne jo go so da ni ni so to to ze so khave jonki milam ni pa do me shi ne làm ta rồi trong khi như làm tháng hồ như tăng cứ ni tên đi đi số cho qua chuyên kỳ ta về mơ làm chỉ xăm riêng kỳ trụ bê tờ sĩ khá về trong khi như làm nhị bà đồ mê xí nê tên đi đi số lòng chữ bằng rư yang kỳ mơ làm gửi nó lòng chữ trụ bê tờ sĩ trong khi nơi làm dù bà đồ từ khăm ni tên đi đi số cha chú tăng tu trong bề thờ si chỉ tăng xuyên năm bề bề thờ si đồ từ khăm su ba sa ba yu đã si yang khi tên đi bề lo khao vì trong la kỳ sa kỳ yang yang trong bi bự làm ta so đồ ư cảm xúc ba sa ba yu đã si yang khi tin thế bự lo khao vì trong la kỳ sa kỳ yang yang trong bi bự làm ta so